Yo, what's up everyone? You already know Samsung has released their another new flagship, which is Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. And like every other new devices, especially flagships, it also has some great stock wallpapers. I like this blue one especially, and also this pink one. These two wallpapers really look so great on my home screen and also in app drawers. And this launcher, if you want this, you can get this link in a card and also in the description. Not only that, Note 10 also comes with stock wallpapers. Here are these 6 wallpapers, really so good. If you want, you can get them, link in the description. And also hit the subscribe and like button for more amazing stuff. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and peace out.